What?
You're watching Outdoor Shack, exclusively on YouTube.
Okay guys, welcome back to Outdoor Shack. So, today we're gonna be doing like some backpacking, like camping on the quad. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be fun. We got our packs on, we got everything we're gonna need for an awesome time in the woods. So, let's hope this all comes together and we'll meet you guys at the camping grounds. Let's go. Okay guys, so we got our tent in this backpack right here. Here we have it. This is like the Ozark Trail four-man tent. Good tent. Got it at Walmart for like $35. Not a bad tent. It's pretty good. So
some extreme front yard survival with it.
Yep, we did some front yard survival. It's pretty fun. It's really fun. So I'm gonna time lapse us doing this. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we set the tent up. Looks okay. It's not our best job. We're gonna get everything inside because everything's getting soaking wet. It's really starting to rain out here. I think we're gonna have a bite to eat and yeah, go from there. Okay guys, so here we are in the tent. Got our bed set up here. So hopefully it's a good night tonight, you know? Don't know. We're gonna start eating dinner and yeah, see you guys there. Okay guys, so had to pack light. We knew that we couldn't like start a fire or something. So dinner is going to be interesting.
Oysters!
I got some oysters,
Calvin's favorite.
and some crackers. Just some cheap little Keebler townhouse. These things are really good. And I just got a couple of packs of these instant oatmeal. I have a thing of hot water right here in a little thermos. That's gonna keep that warm. So yeah, we're staying dry so far. I'm really impressed. If you guys want me to do a review on this tent, Ozark Trail 4-person dome tent, $35 at Walmart. Great deal.
Comes with the rain fly.
Comes with the rain fly. I mean, it's raining
Bug-proof.
pretty hard outside, and I've got no water on me whatsoever.
Except
so,
the water that you tracked in with your boots.
Yeah, except that water. So, we're gonna start making this dinner. Let's go. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna try out this first. We're just gonna do the instant oatmeal. We're gonna try this out. Just gonna pour it into my little, guys, I forgot spoons. Okay,
You eat it with your hands.
forgot spoons, guys. And I don't have like a specific measurement that I have for this thing. Oh, he got angry.
He got angry.
So we're gonna try that. That like squirted it everywhere.
This is called a waste
Okay.
of food, folks. On Bear Grylls, and that's what I say.
Yep, Calvin's pretending he's Bear Grylls.
Oh yeah, call him Bear Grylls. On Bear Grylls.
We're gonna put that in there.
Dude, you're making two. I'm just eating oysters.
You're just gonna eat oysters? Okay.
I'm an oyster boy. I love oysters. I've been eating oysters.
We just
since I was
mix
2
this
years
up.
old.
Yeah,
Yeah.
with my hands.
I'm not an instant oatmeal guy.
And that is also delicioso.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's eat. Okay, guys, so we are going to try the instant oatmeal. See what it tastes like. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's sweet and very salty.
Yuck.
So we're just gonna take a big ol' handful.
Blech. Dude, you're grossing me out, man.
Mmm, that's good.
How do you eat that? Dude, it's just like grains floating in water.
Mmm.
Ooh, that looks good. No, it doesn't.
Okay. Man, stuff was good. Okay. That stuff was really good, guys. So yeah, instant oatmeals. Take a canteen full of hot water. I just poured it in there, and guys, that worked amazing. This thing's been here in here for a couple hours now. I just boiled it up, and man, it's working great. Okay, guys. So it's starting to get a little bit late. Already starting to pack it in for the night. Just reading a little bit before I go to bed. It's gonna be a great day tomorrow. We're gonna like ride the ATV around. It's gonna be a good time. It's still raining outside, so hopefully it clears up in the morning. I don't know if it will. I hope it does though. And tomorrow is gonna be an amazing day. Out in the field. We're gonna have to pack up tomorrow unless we don't feel like it, and then we won't. So hopefully everything goes as planned. Well, maybe not. Maybe if things don't go as planned, maybe we'll get to stay another night. But we're kind of running low on food already, and it's only our first 5 hours.
We
So
still have instant oatmeal.
yeah, we still have a little bit of instant oatmeal. So we'll see what happens. See you guys in the morning.
Okay, guys, so we're just gonna wake up Glenn. He is a hard sleeper, so here we go. All right, buddy, wake up. Wake up, come on. Get up.
Dude. Okay. What do you want to do today?
Ride ATVs.
Let's go.
And stay another night. Or stay another day at least.
Okay, we'll see what we can do. Man,
So tired.
I know.
I've been up for a long time.
I know. I think, man, I think Mr. Calvin, we're gonna need to start rationing our food. Okay, speaking of food, I think we should get a little breakfast going before we go.
I'm not eating breakfast. There is no way on earth I'm eating that stuff. I mean,
No, just gonna have a couple crackers.
okay,
Just a little breakfast. Okay, gonna dive into these crackers. Have a few.
you know, the paper from the wrapping of the instant oatmeal doesn't taste that bad.
You're eating that? You rather eat the paper than the oatmeal?
I'm eating it.
Okay.
That's me.
I'm gonna have a few of these crackers, and then we're gonna pack up and, well, not pack up. We're gonna maybe do some backpacking or some ATV riding, so let's go. Okay, guys, so we got the tent set up. It's all closed down. We are gonna go do some exploring in a hidden pond. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be an awesome day out here. It's a little ways away, so I mean, we're gonna take the ATV. Ordinarily we'd hike, but it's a little ways away. So, you know, you'll do it with the best we can. So let's go. that's about as far as I really wanted to go on the quad. This trail down here is crazy slick. And I don't really want to have a quad accident right now. That wouldn't be good. So yeah, we're just gonna explore this tiny little pond. I trying to make a motorcycle video this morning, filmed it and everything, and then my computer shut down. So if you're watching this video right now, then it hasn't shut down for this video. But you know, if you're not watching this video, then you're not hearing what I'm saying right now. So that's unfortunate. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Trumping through the woods. I kept the motorcycle helmet on because I didn't want to get like smacked in the face. Also, I didn't want to leave it back there because it would get filled with rain. Here's the pond, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. Let's see if I can get closer here. There's like all these sticks here. I'm trying not to fall in. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this as like a face shield. Man, blackberries are nasty. Okay, guys, here is the pond. Wow, this is cool back here. This is really cool. Man, so glad we decided to camp out. It's been awesome. Ooh, don't want to fall in. That wouldn't be good. Man, that's cool. That's rad. Wow, guys. Look at that.
Whoa, dude.
What?
I drank all the 32 ounces of water.
Thirsty boy. Thirsty boy. Wow. You know, actually, I expected there would be like frogs in here and stuff like that. I kind of want to know if there's like fish in here. Maybe we could like catch some out of here. I didn't bring a fishing rod though. So that's the hidden pond, guys. It's pretty cool. Okay, guys. Heading back to the camp after a nice pond exploration. There we go. Camp, sweet camp. Man, it's nice to be back. That was fun, wasn't it, dude? That was great.
Oh no!
Back into the tent. Got my shoes off. Okay, guys, thanks for watching today's video of Outdoor Shack. We're ending it for now. We plan to do a lot more of these videos. If you guys want me to do a tent review of this tent, the Ozark Trail 4-man dome tent, if you guys want to see that, I'd be happy to make it. I think I'm going to do it anyway, even if you guys don't want me to do it. Maybe. I don't know. But, yeah, Calvin, that is annoying. So, please consider liking and subscribing and leaving a comment if you want. You know, we post videos like this, you know, 2 or 3 times a week, maybe even 4 on a good one. So, yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can say. Great video. Thanks for tuning in to Outdoor Shack, and see ya!